behind the Greennature Diamond. Greennature capacity, it goes all the way from around your hotel. There's a shops if you're looking for chemists around this region, the further down. And there is a Vakıf bank that charge too much commission. Here, learn more about the marmaris. Ask me what you want to know about. My next video. There's lots of things around the Greennature Diamond. You can see the fakes, but good quality fakes you like here. What else are you looking for? Nature Diamond in a Seataler area. Use bag, watches, a lot. When you're in a hotel, when you come to your out of your hotel, at the door, this is what it's outside look like. And on this alley, the Seataler area here. Gold Center, first thing you're gonna see. Forum Outlet and McDonald's and Migros. Shopping center there. There's the outlet textile and Gold Center. Definitely must get something from that Gold Center. You got a 40% discount, big discount if you coin with the name of my channel with the Gold Center. And you get a free cleaning and free repairing for your stuff. And this is what is outside the hotels looks like when you come for holiday to Marmaris at the Seataler region. It seems like it's not a lot, but it's a lot around here. There's a restaurant. There's a main restaurant again. And a little bit further down, it's the shops and stuff start. And just right here, after this hotel, there is a MGM outlet shop. I shared that video. One of the cheapest shop in the Marmaris. It was clothes, shoes, bit of everything in there. Stay with me, be with me, enjoy with me if you want to know more about it. Down the Greennature Diamond Hotel. What will happen? There's lots of things around the Greennature Diamond. You can stay in a hotel. There's nice all-inclusive hotel. There's lots bigger rooms in there. And just right in front of you, Migros is a shopping mall, I would say, like shopping center. Has a clothes shop, shoe shop. There's all bits and pieces like Asda, Tesco kind of things. Right underneath the Greennature Diamond, though, there is a shops, a lot of shops. There's a kid shops, there's a cloth shops, there is a diamond jewelry, there's a chain shop, and want to show you something different than the others. Like when you go in, it's not just one shop actually, it's more than one shop. There is lots more shops here, but when you entry in there, it's like a shopping mall. Look at this. This is one after the other, shops after shops. It's right in here. When you come here, tell them you're coming from my channel. You get some discount as well. All the football kits, all the Snyder fakes, but good quality fakes you like here. Just right here. And this is the in Greennature Diamonds shopping mall. When you come around here, don't miss a go. Just come in this corner and so find out all about the bags, shoes, clothes, anything and everything you'll be able to find just right here for you. Kid shoes, Jordans, Air Force, Balenciaga, bags, shoes, watches, glasses. What else are you looking for? So everything you're looking for, just right here. I think you will be able to find it. To get like some Snyder face, or you want to get some shopping done, Greennature Diamond in Seataler areas. Like if you're around here, don't miss a go. Just jump in this corner. I think you'll be able to find something you like, something for your friends or families, or something for your own self. Clothes, shoes, bag, watches, a lot here, just right here in front, underneath the Greennature Diamond Hotel. Forum Outlet, Gold Center, Migros. Just right in front of them is the Greennature Diamond Hotel. Visit the shop, learn more about the Marmaris. I showed you before around Greennature Diamond. Greennature Diamond is a huge hotel, okay, it's a big hotel, it's about 2,000 people capacity. It goes all the way from down here to the beachfront. It's on the beach anyway, it's like right on the beachfront. So if you're coming around here, or Greennature Diamond Hotel, you will be just seeing the scenery around your hotel. There's a shops, there's a market, there's a clothes shops, there's a shoe shop, bag shop, there's a like a doner kebab shop. There's a chemist if you're looking for a chemist around this region. In Citadel area, one chemist there and the other chemist the further down. And there is a Wakf bank. If you need to use a bank, use the Wakf bank because it's a government bank and it's give you less commission. So you're not gonna get charged too much commission. Here is marmaris. Good times, good vibes, good music, good drinks, good food, a good holiday. This is the place you should come for holiday. It is marmaris waiting for you. Happy days, every days, never goodbye. Just see you later. Channel, if you didn't subscribe yet, learn more about the marmaris. Ask me what you want to know about. My next video will be about what you're asking for, or which hotel are you gonna stay when you come here, what's the name of it, or which restaurant is your favorite restaurant, or which shop is your favorite shop. Maybe the next video will be about those places. See you later.